some lawyers will charge you 1%, but you'll pay probably the highest cost you will incur is 1.5% for the seller's lawyer and 1.5% for your lawyer. So I'll use the same example. If you're buying a property worth 10 million, you'll pay total 3% legal fee, coming to about 300,000. There are other minor costs, but also very important, such as the surveying fee, which is negotiable. You'll pay about 30 to 100,000 depending on the value of the property. The surveying fee will ensure that your property is clearly mapped out, and at the end of all this, you'll have your property title, or for an apartment, your sectional title.